In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in CapCut from TikTok. Step 1. Click on New Project in CapCut. Step 2. Add the video you want to use. Step 3. Click on the audio icon in the option at the bottom. Step 4. Select Sounds from the bottom left corner. Step 5. Click on the option Sign in with TikTok. Step 6. Click on Open in the pop-up box. Now it will take you to an authorization page. Step 7. Click on Authorize at the bottom. Then it will ask you for your birth date for sign-in. Step 8. Enter your birth date. Step 9. Click on Confirm. Now your TikTok is linked to CapCut. Now your favorite audios will be showing below the TikTok original sounds. Step 10. Select the music you want to add. Step 11. Click on the plus sign near to the music. It will be added to your video. Congratulations! You have just learned how to add music in CapCut from TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And I hope to see you next time.